How to change your full name on BeReal. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your full name on BeReal. First open BeReal and then once you're here, click on your profile and then click these 3 points here, and that's it. Now click on your account, and as you see here you will find full name. Now just click on it and that's it. That's how you can change it. Just type any name you want and then click save, and that's it. As you see, my full name have been changed, and I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.